Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be making a really cool 3D printed lantern. So let's get right into it. We designed this in Mesh Mixer and it's inspired by Angus over at Maker's Muse. We put it into Cura and changed it to Vase mode. We printed it out at 60 millimeters per second with a heated bed of 60 degrees Celsius and PLA white plastic at 200 degrees Celsius. Let's take a look at how this print came out. Really nice quality here. It does have a little bit of holes on the top and one on the side, but all in all, great print. Really fast print too. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take this screw here and I'm going to heat it up and make a hole in the bottom of this so that I can fit my blue LED and I'm going to use a 3-volt coin battery. Information about this will be in the description if you want to make a project like this. So I'm going to use this heat gun. You can find these at, Home Depot, places like that. So I'm going to... First, I'm going to take a little pen here. Just mark off my hole. Alright. And so now that I've marked off my hole, I can heat up my heat gun. This gets really hot, so you don't need to wear gloves, but you're going to want to always, you're not going to see it in the picture, but I'm going to heat this up so that it's nice and hot. And I'm just going to put it, I don't want to deform anything, so I'm just going to put it right here. You can see it's getting really hot now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just get some wire, and you can see it's really hot, so I'm going to put this in front of it, try and get this nice and hot. Okay, I'm going to try and I'm going to heat this up a little bit, and try and just make a hole in there, just the size of my LED light. So I got a little bit of penetration, but I'm trying to open that up a little more by wiggling it around a little bit. I'm not applying too much pressure, but just enough so I can get that hole in there. And now I'm gonna take my LED and test fit it. Alright guys, so the hole is completed. You can test it out just by pressing the LED in there, and it fits nice and snug. That's when you know you did a good job. So let's see how it looks with our battery. And let's shut off the lights for this. Oh, that is nice. That is so nice. So you can see that it glows really beautifully, a nice blue. And that would look good in like your office or bedroom as a nightlight. A lot of different uses for this. So, alright, so I hope you enjoyed this nice little project. And if you have any suggestions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section down below. We're always up for suggestions. We'll get right back to you as soon as we can. And if you like this project and you want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. And hope you liked the video. See you next time.